our Venture Outdoor Education program. It's a geography, science, phys ed program for grade 9 students.
It was an idea of bringing grade 8s into grade 9 either in the morning or the afternoon and having just one teacher as opposed to 4 different teachers. The focus is on developing tangible skills, hands-on being able to light a fire, to tangible skills of being able to communicate effectively with others, to problem solve, focusing on leadership.
Venture is a great opportunity to make friends while exploring the outdoors. From canoeing to cross-country skiing, you get to try new things, all while being able to work with others.
Using a compass, you're looking at nature, you're looking at all the different signs and really sort of embedding those learnings in actual doing and activity.
Our Indigenous populations have a value system called the 7 grandfather teachings, and so we've tried to model our program values off of that, off of things like respect and humility and honesty and truth and love. And with those values, we feel like we can create a foundation upon which grade 9s coming into our school can have a successful transition from elementary school.
They have an opportunity to apply for the grade 11 outdoor leadership program, which is a 4-credit program. We often do get returning grade 9 students that were in Venture that go on to do the outdoor leadership program.